Yeah. Yeah.
Concrete dreams where the neon glows.
City lights flicker, where the sinners play preacher.
Rhythms in the shadows where the cold wind blows. Life's a gamble on these streets, anything
pathways,
goes.
souls caught in the
Echoes
shuffle.
through the alleys
Every
tonight.
breath's a gamble, life's
Soulful
one
samples
long
lift the
scuffle.
darkness to light.
Sirens kiss the night with
Pounds
their
like a
mournful
heartbeat.
cries.
These
Alleyway
gritty vibes
quiet,
keep my
sing the
story
truth
inside.
behind the lies. Broken glass mirrors, the dreams left for dead. Where hope's just a story that the old heads fed. Concrete jungle sermons spilling in the veins.
Graffiti on the walls paint the struggle and climb. The clock keeps spinning but I'm on my through. Words like puzzle pieces fitting tight in the rhyme. Snares punch louder than the city's own chime.
Skyscrapers whisper the
Echoes through the
secrets
alleys
they
tonight.
hold.
Soulful samples lift the darkness to
Above and
light.
below.
Beat kicks pounds like a heartbeat fight.
Streets stay
These gritty vibes keep my story inside.
Clock ticking symphony, dangers, baseline, rats scurry faster, chasing shadow lifelines, moonlight hits the metal, chrome sparks glow, temptation lingers heavy where the shadows grow, block wars waged where the cracks reveal scars, currency exchanged in the shells of old cars, young kings crowned with crowns made of sin, pawn shops thrive, dreams locked deep within, fast hands feed the slow with the devil's grip, wisdom's just a phantom, those with power skip,
Echoes through the
jazz
alleys
in the
tonight.
back alleys narrates
Soulful
the
samples lift the
decay,
darkness to light.
trumpets
Beat
echoing
kicks
where
pounds
the
like a
lost souls
heartbeat
stay.
fight. These gritty vibes keep my story inside. Echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Deep kicks pounds like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story inside.
Concrete jungle sermons spilling in the veins, blood rivers flowing through urban chains. Skyscrapers whisper the secrets they hold, above and below. The streets stay cold. Clock ticking symphony, dangers, baseline. Rats scurry faster, chasing shadowed lifelines. Moonlight hits the metal, chrome sparks glow. Temptation lingers, heavy where the shadows grow. Block wars waged where the cracks reveal scars. Currency exchanged in the shells of old cars. Young kings crowned with crowns made of sin. Pawn shops thrive, dreams locked deep within.